In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your iPad is not letting you to download apps. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, just go to the connection section. And from here, just make sure that your iPad is connected to the internet. After you do that, then just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it on. Now just wait for a couple of seconds. And after that, just tap on this icon one more time and turn it off. And by doing this, you will do a quick network refresh. Now just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to settings. And under settings, just scroll down and tap on general. Under the general settings, just tap on iPad storage. And from here, just make sure that you have enough storage on your iPad. If the storage of your iPad is full, just delete any data from your iPad to free up some storage, or you can upload all your photos and videos to the cloud and you can delete them from your iPad to free up some storage. Also, you can delete any apps which you no longer need. After you do that, then just go back. And under the general settings, just tap on software update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPad. Now, after you do that, for the next step, you will need the password of the parental controls of your iPad. After you get the password of the parental controls, then just scroll down and tap on screen time. And from here, just tap on content and privacy restrictions. If this toggle is enabled, then just tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Then tap on installing apps. Now just make sure that this option is on allow. Now just go through all these options and make sure that all of them are enabled. And also under require password, just select do not require. Now after you do that, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then under settings, just go back to general. But this time just scroll down and tap on date and time. From here, just check the date and the time of your iPad and check if it is correct or not. If the date or the time are incorrect, just tap on it and set the date or the time manually just like that. But what I recommend is just enable set automatically. And after you do that, your iPad will automatically set the correct date and time according to your region. But if this also did not work, then under settings, just tap on your Apple ID. And from here, just tap on sign out and sign out of your Apple ID. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and open the recent apps section. And from here, just close settings from the recent apps section. After you do that, then just open settings again and tap on sign into your Apple ID. And from here, just log into your Apple ID. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. Now to do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. And once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now just remember the button combinations. Just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. And this is how you can fix if your iPad is not letting you to download apps. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.